So finally, I'm going to teach you how to do a standard purl bind off. This is essentially the same thing as the standard knit bind off, but instead of knit stitches, you're purling. So in order to do that, we got to bring the yarn around to the front, and we're going to purl the first 2 stitches. So go into the front loop of that first stitch, bring your yarn around from front to back, pull through a loop, and then slide that stitch off your left-hand needle. And then you're going to do that for the second stitch as well. Go into that second stitch as if to purl, wrap the yarn around from front to back, pull through a loop, and slide it off your left-hand needle. And now you're going to pull this first stitch on your right-hand needle over the second and off the needle. So go into the front loop from left to right, and you'll want to hold that second stitch with your index finger and pull the first over and off. And you have bound off 1 stitch. So go ahead and purl 1 more stitch from your left-hand needle. Go into that first one as if to purl, yarn over from front to back, pull through a loop, slide it off your needle, and again you're going to bring this first stitch over the second and off. So go into that first stitch from left to right, hold that second with your index finger, and pull the first over the second and off the needle. And just keep doing that. So go into the next stitch on your left-hand needle as if to purl, yarn over and purl that stitch, and then take the first stitch, pass it over the second and off. First stitch, over the second and off. And you'll start to see on the other side, you're getting a line of what look like knit stitches. So just keep doing that until you get to the end. And when you get to the final stitch, you go into it as if to purl, yarn over, pull that yarn through, take it off your left-hand needle, and you're ready to do your final bind off. So go into that first stitch, pull it up and over the second, and off your needle. So now you can pull the loop on your right-hand needle up and make it bigger, take the needle out, and you can cut the yarn, leaving a tail long enough to weave in. Now you can either pull the tail through here, like pull it through like this, and then pull it tight, or if you want a slightly neater look, you can just pull this loop until the tail comes through. So just pull it, and that is a slightly neater look. And you have your purl bind off. So this gives the illusion of a purl ridge along the right side, or the side facing you, and gives a column of knit stitches on the wrong side, or the side that was not facing you when you worked the bind off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials and podcasts.